you. We delivered those letters.
You? But how did you get them?
We found them. We think there might be something wrong with your satchel.
Miss Satchel? Oh, what's wrong with me, Dad? Hang on. What's happened to Ned's letters?
They're right here, George. That's a pretty bad hole you got there.
You're right. It's a hole.
Well, George, that's why we got you this.
For me? Oh, thanks, fellas. What is it?
It's from everybody in town. It's just our way of saying thanks for being the best postman in the Outback. And the only postman in the Outback.
Oh, a brand new satchel.
Isn't it a beauty?
It's the nicest gift a postman could ever get.
What'd you reckon, George?
So thanks to the Koala brothers, everything turned out well in the end. And George was happy again. Now that he knew he was still everybody's favourite postman, he even had a new satchel from his friends to prove it.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks very much.
How did you know you like that satchel so much, Frank? Because it's exactly like his old one, Buster. Yeah, except for one difference. What's that? This one hasn't got a hole in it. Oh, yeah.
Trouble, and you need someone to help you out. There's no need to whistle.